When shopping for vehicle protection, many drivers ask us, what's the difference between an Endurance vehicle service contract and insurance? Insurance typically helps cover damage from collisions, accidents, and events like theft, vandalism, or severe weather. But it generally doesn't cover mechanical breakdowns that can happen as a vehicle ages. For example, if you're in an accident, that's typically handled by insurance. But if your transmission fails or your air conditioning stops working, that's where an Endurance plan can help. Endurance complements insurance and helps protect you from the high cost of unexpected mechanical repairs, including major components like your engine, transmission, air conditioning, and electrical systems. Because today's vehicles are more advanced, even one major breakdown can cost thousands. That's why Endurance offers a range of plans designed to fit your vehicle and your budget, helping you avoid high out-of-pocket costs on covered repairs. So while insurance protects you from the unexpected events on the road, Endurance helps cover unexpected repairs under the hood and beyond. Together, insurance and Endurance provide smarter, more complete protection when it matters most. With dependable protection and support when you need it most, Endurance helps you drive forward with confidence. To learn more, visit EnduranceWarranty.com.
Drive on